Seniors, have you noticed the world slowly fading around you? The pages of your favorite books seem harder to read. The vibrant sunset you once loved now looks pale. You find yourself squinting more, straining in the dark, unsure if it's just fatigue or if your eyesight is slipping away. And deep down, a quiet fear grows. What if it gets worse? Let me reassure you, there is hope. Because right now, while you sleep, your body can begin to restore your vision. And the secret lies in 4 natural, powerful drinks you can sip before bedtime, drinks that gently work while you rest, nourishing your eyes from the inside out. Imagine healing your vision while you dream. No surgeries, no expensive treatments, just warm, soothing drinks made from ingredients found in nature, things your grandparents may have used without even realizing the science behind them. Here's the twist. The final drink I'll reveal at the end is so effective, one senior cried tears of joy the morning after trying it. So please, stay with me until the very end. Sometimes, the smallest changes before bed can lead to the biggest changes when you wake. Let's begin with something as comforting as a lullaby: warm blueberry and chamomile tea. Blueberries are full of anthocyanins, a powerful antioxidant that crosses into your eyes and protects the light-sensitive retina. These compounds strengthen your blood vessels and may even prevent macular degeneration. When combined with chamomile, known for calming your nerves and reducing cortisol, get a drink that not only heals, also helps you sleep deeper. One of my patients, Ellen, age 71, had irritated red eyes for years. She tried everything until this tea. Now I wake up and my eyes feel refreshed, she told me. Next, we turn to golden turmeric milk. Turmeric isn't just a spice, it's one of nature's strongest anti-inflammatory agents. The compound curcumin within it fights oxidative stress, a leading cause of cataracts and glaucoma. But to absorb it, you must mix it with black pepper and warm almond or oat milk. Add a touch of honey for taste, and you've got a creamy bedtime remedy that helps your eyes heal while reducing inflammation across your whole body. Michael, 68, used to dread driving at night. But after 6 weeks on golden milk, he told me, it's like someone cleaned the windshield of my eyes. Then there's the beautiful ruby-colored goji berry and rooibos infusion. Goji berries are packed with zeaxanthin and lutein-2 nutrients that get stored directly in your retina, acting like built-in sunglasses to block harmful light. Rooibos, a caffeine-free tea from South Africa, is rich in quercetin and aspalathin, which improve blood circulation and reduce oxidative damage to your eyes. Clara, 75, said she could suddenly see the veins on leaves again after 2 weeks on this drink. I forgot what green looked like, she whispered. That's the power of vision restored. And now, the most powerful drink I've ever recommended: bilberry and hibiscus tea. Bilberries are similar to blueberries, but with even more anthocyanins. They support the microcirculation of blood in the retina, which improves sharpness and night vision. Hibiscus, loaded with vitamin C and anti-inflammatory properties, helps lower blood pressure and relax the tiny vessels behind the eyes. Henry, 81, had nearly given up on his vision. After 30 days on this tea, he called me in tears. I watched the sunrise, and I saw the orange sky again. That moment will stay with me forever. But we're not done yet. Let me share even more bedtime drink secrets. Because restoring vision is not just about one trick. It's about giving your eyes the full support they've been missing for decades. And these bonus drinks might be exactly what you need. Let's start with saffron almond milk. Studies have shown that just 20 milligrams of saffron per day can improve vision in those with macular degeneration. When mixed with almond milk rich in vitamin E and riboflavin U, create a beautiful golden drink that tastes like comfort and acts like medicine. Nina, 76, had nearly given up painting. Her world had faded into gray. But after 1 month of saffron almond milk, she returned to her canvas. "I saw color again," she said with a trembling voice. "I painted a blue sky." It wasn't just art she recovered. It was her confidence, her joy, her sense of self. That's the quiet miracle these bedtime drinks can create. And sometimes healing doesn't shout, it whispers. Picture sipping a warm carrot and ginger tonic before sleep. Carrots provide beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin crucial for clear night vision. Ginger reduces pressure in the eyes and boosts circulation. Together, they create a comforting drink that soothes your digestion and supports your vision. Henry, 80, had trouble navigating his home in the dark. But after a few nights on this blend, he told me, "I stopped bumping into furniture. I stopped being afraid of the night." What if your eyesight problems are tied to diabetes or blood sugar imbalances? That's where cinnamon and fenugreek tea comes in. Cinnamon helps balance blood sugar and supports blood flow to the eyes. Fenugreek seeds, when soaked and boiled, reduce intraocular pressure and even lens clouding. Ria, 67, a diabetic for 15 years, began drinking this and felt the throbbing behind her eyes ease. "It's like the pressure finally let go," she told me. And if you're someone who feels emotionally drained from vision loss, there's a gentle, almost spiritual drink for you: rose petal and fennel tea. Rose petals soothe inflamed tissues and offer emotional comfort, while fennel has been shown to improve lens clarity and reduce irritation. Rose, 73, said she drank it each night while journaling. After a month, she could read her own handwriting again without squinting. That's more than recovery, it's reconnection. These aren't just drinks. They're nightly rituals. Acts of love for your eyes and your soul. Every sip is a message to your body. I care about you. I believe you can heal. And when you combine this mindset with nature's most powerful compounds, beautiful things happen. You fall asleep easier. You wake up more refreshed. And, in time, you might notice the light returning to your eyes. It's important to know that these drinks work because they nourish the whole body. They support circulation, reduce stress, and gently guide your system back into balance. The eyes are incredibly sensitive organs, but also incredibly responsive to the right care. The nutrients in these teas feed your retina, support your optic nerve, and repair your lens tissues all while you rest. You might be wondering, can it really be this simple? And the answer is yes. Sometimes nature doesn't shout, it whispers. These ingredients, sabarin, bilberry, saffron, chamomile, have been used for centuries by cultures that understood the body's wisdom. Today, Science is finally catching up, confirming what traditional medicine knew all along, that healing is possible, especially with consistency and love. I've seen these drinks restore confidence, help seniors walk more safely, allow them to read again, to drive again, to paint, to watch TV, to see their grandchildren's faces clearly. Vision is more than sight, it's freedom. And that freedom is worth protecting even if it begins with something as small as a warm cup of tea. So tonight, choose one. Make it a ritual. Dim the lights. Hold the mug in both hands. Close your eyes and say to yourself, I'm giving my eyes what they need. And then sip. Slowly. Mindfully. Let the nutrients settle in. Let the warmth relax your nerves. Let the healing begin. And please, if this message moved, you share it. Don't let someone you love suffer in silence. Too many seniors lose their eyesight, not from disease, but from not knowing how to care for it. Now you know, and you can be the reason someone else finds hope again. Remember, healing doesn't come in one big wave. It comes in quiet moments, in small cups, in a decision to nourish your body instead of ignoring it. Your eyesight may be fading now, but with love, patience, and these bedtime drinks, the light can return. You are not too old. You are not too late. And your body is not done healing. Let tonight be the night you stop fearing the future of your eyes and start nurturing their future instead. Let your healing begin not in the doctor's office, not under bright surgical lights, but in the quiet warmth of your own home. In a chair, with a mug, and with the belief that even as you age, the best days for your vision may still be ahead.